Requisitioner training. Punch-out catalog orders. Additional information. In your shopper training, you learned how to shop and place orders through punch-out catalogs. In this lesson, you will learn some additional tips about shopping through punch-out catalog suppliers. As a requisitioner, we want you to have a broader understanding of UShop functionality, so we'll go into a little more detail. Each of the punch-out suppliers has a contract with the university. Many of the punch-out suppliers provide free standard shipping, but some do add shipping fees. This is particularly the case when certain items in the catalog are provided by a third-party supplier. Lab supply companies like Fisher and VWR are most likely to include third-party items in their catalog. These items will be identified as coming from another source. Be aware that shipping may be charged for these third-party supply items. Even though the punch-out suppliers offer university contract pricing, there may be times when one of these suppliers will provide even better pricing for your department on a quote. Many of the punch-out suppliers have the capability to capture these quotes in their punch-out catalogs. The specially priced items on the quote will then be incorporated into the order in your UShop cart. Each supplier site will vary a bit, but we'll show you an example in Fisher Scientific. Click on the Fisher Punch-Out tile. You will see an Account button on the bar near the top of the page. Click on this to open a drop-down menu, then select Quotes. You can now see a field where you may enter your Fisher quote number. More information about grabbing these quotes is found by going to the My Resources section in the Home Shopping page. Click on Training Materials and look in the Shopping section for a guide titled Punch-Out Quotes. When you are shopping in UShop, you may add items from more than one supplier to your cart. UShop is able to create a unique purchase order for each of the suppliers in the cart. However, while the system has this capability, we suggest that a best practice is to fill your cart with items from only one supplier at a time. Including one supplier in your cart will make reviewing your requisition more simple for your approver, and it will ensure that you do not combine different procurement processes in your cart. A procurement process refers to an action like a competitive bid, a sole source approval request, or even a request to set up a new supplier. Each of these actions takes the time and attention of purchasing or someone else in central administration. While these processes are taking place, the entire order will be kept pending. Because of this, it is best practice not to combine a punch-out order with an order requiring a procurement process in your cart. If you find that you have inadvertently included items from multiple suppliers or procurement processes in your cart, you may move items from the cart in the following ways. Each product description line has a More Actions drop-down menu found at the right end of the line. Here you will find a number of options, including Move to another cart. Select this option if you still want to buy this item, but not in the current order. Select Remove if you want to remove just this specific line item from the cart. A similar list of options is found above the product description lines. Perform an action on. This link is activated only when you check a box to select one or more lines. The Select All box will apply to the entire order, while checking a box on a product description line will apply just to that line. Select Remove if you want to remove just this specific line from the cart.